Now we are right here on the Corel Draw, so I'll be pressing Ctrl I to import the image that we want to use to remove the background. We'll be using Michael Jackson image to achieve this purpose. Now the image has a white background, but we cannot see that because our paper is still white. So I want to apply a new background for the image so that you will see. So we just click on Edit Bitmaps. On this Corel Photo Paint now loaded, just go to the image menu, click on the cutout lab, and cutout lab will be launched immediately. You can see the image right here. Now we are clicking on this is an highlighter, so we're going to highlight the area where we don't want. So we don't want all these areas, so just highlight those areas. We want the image lab to remove all this part for us. Now after highlighting it, you have to fill the remaining space. So you are clicking on the fill. This is the fill too. So just click on the fill and use it to fill the image. Now then click on preview. When you click on preview, boom, the background has been removed. Just click what, then click what, just click OK, and just click OK. We have the image on our page already. Just press Ctrl S to drop it on Corel Draw right away. Then you can close Corel Photo Paint. Now you see, boom, we have it. Then you can see that the background has been successfully removed.